Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fair, I want you instead.
Good evening everyone, and good evening sir. My name is Janlock Arcodemus from BSMT1 Section Dubay. So tonight, we will be talking about the buoyancy. The stability of a vessel is a crucial factor in ensuring safe navigation and efficient operation at sea. It governs by several key principles including buoyancy, the center of the gravity, center of the buoyancy, metacenter, metrocentric height, and right arms. These factors determine how a ship floats, maintains balance, and recovers from its inclination caused by external forces such as waves, winds, and cargo ships. Understanding this concept is essential for naval architects, marine engineers, and seafarers to design and operate ships that can withstand the dynamic condition of the ocean, while ensuring the safety of crew, passenger, and cargo. Now, without further ado, let us start exploring about these things and discover the importance and its contribution to the ship. First is the buoyancy. You may ask, what is buoyancy? Then why is it important in a vessel? What is the buoyancy? What is the buoyancy's contribution in a vessel? So, buoyancy is an upward force exerted by the fluid and a submerged or floating object equal to weight of the displaced fluid. When we talk about the buoyancy, it is mao ni siya ang nakaingon nga no mo float ang atong vessel. Ganina, while it's raining, I had this example with our gisawd na mo sa rain, tapos nag-flow siya, then nagput ko og kanang mini palanggana para as an example. Let me show you. As you can see, I put the mini palanggana into the water and it didn't sink. It is because of the buoyancy. It is because of the buoyancy and the force that exerted by the water, by the rainwater. So, when we talk about the buoyancy, these are the reasons that our vessel will not be sink unless unless kung masudlan siya og tubig, ana jud masink ang ship. But if dili gani na siya masudlan og water, the sink is designed to float the vessel is designed to float and not designed to sink. Now, we can ask, ngano man ang ship mo float man siya while the one peso is mulubog dud siya? Is it that question will be answered by having the balance. When we put the ship into the water, we need to put a balance on it for it to be float. Unlike the 1 peso coin, when we put the 1 peso coin carefully, we can see that the 1 peso coin will be float. But when you put the 1 peso coin into the water nga dili siya balance o kanang imo lang siya giputang, ang water niya mo flow, mo na siya mo sink. And the buoyancy, dili na to makitang buoyancy ana. So, what is the importance of the buoyancy in the vessel? It allows the ship to float by counteracting their weight. When we talk about counteracting their weight, bisan pa unsa kabugato ng ship, kaya kanila i-uplift kay para dili ka mo sink. Then let's watch the video again I've created a while ago. So we can see when I put the mini palanggana without the weight, it float. And also the importance of the vessel is to determine the load carrying capacity of the vessel. So we can we will be determining the shape kung unsa siya kabug-aton og asa taman ang water niya kung ato siya iunlod. For example, kani siya. Nakita mo ni siya ang water, kini siya. Kung ang vessel is very light lang, gamay ra jud ang capacity nga makuha, like maunlod. Pero kung ato siya na atay mga cargo as a kanang kanang seafarer, na jud tay mga pangkarga, inya ang vessel itself is bugat na, so therefore ang vessel is lugdang siya gamay, ana siya. Instead of like that, pero nanagani ang karga, ana jud siya. And that's how we determine og unsa kabugatan ang ship. Then gi-counteract na sa fluid. Tanawa sa akong video nga gi-present. Ana nga katong wala pa nako giput akong hand, is okay ang iyang float. I mean okay siya tanan, pero makadetermine ta nga ang pag-float sa palanggana ana is kanang mubura ang na-reach sa water. Pero katong ako nagibutang akong hand with a force, bisag nangusog na ko gamay ana, dili nako maunlod ang palanggana kay tungod pod sa force nga gihatag sa fluid nga iyang gi-counteract para dili nako maunlod ang palanggana. Pero na-determine ako nga bugat jud ang akong nabutang nga hand kay murag na half naman ang na-reach sa water. However, bisan pa og nabugatan ang object above the water, it was not sink. Wala siya na unload. Kay lagi, it's because of the buoyancy that the fluid exert a force on it for it to counter-react. And katong ako na siya giunlod kaayo, unya nabutangan na og water, ato pa siya ni sink. Bisan pa nakita na to nga ni sink na siya, ang pag twist niya ingana sa water, ning tigbabaw gihapon siya. Kay kaan ang nasa kay tungod sa buoyancy nga gi-push up siya, pero dili na siya kaya ibalik sa iyang normal nga condition. That is the purpose of the buoyancy. That is why it is important, and that is why it is important for us to know what is the buoyancy. So, wala na siya nabalik sa iyang situation, which is nga katong naglutaw siya. Is it because of the water siguro nga nagsud sa palanggana? But we can still see there the buoyancy. Kay bisag na puno na ang palanggana og water, igo lang siya ning cold, dining ana siya sa surface. Kay tungod sa buoyancy nga gi-push siya pababaw para mo float. That is why nga importante ang buoyancy sa vessel, because without the buoyancy, the vessel won't be able to float. By that, we all know nga bugat jud baya ang vessel. So without the buoyancy, imbis nga makulataw siya, no matter how heavy the ship or how heavy the object it is, with having a buoyancy, it will float. But without the buoyancy, mutigbabaw jud siya. Next, so we will be talking about the center of the buoyancy and the center of the gravity. When we talk about the center of the buoyancy, it is the center of buoyancy and the centroid of the displaced water in volume. It is the point where the buoyant force acts. So, ang center of the buoyancy kuno is here. Maokintahin ni siya ang na-occupy sa water. Na-occupy na siya sa water. Imagine half. Ang center of the buoyancy is na here, aligned with the center of the gravity. When we talk about the center of the gravity, it is the point where the entire weight of the vessel is considered to act vertically downward. So, tanawa siya. Naa diri si center of the buoyancy here. Tapos, si center